Scafflogic introduces you to a world of logic. Hello and welcome to this training video. In this video, I would like to demonstrate some of the features of our left menu, particularly the Scaffold System menu. To begin, you will need to select the type of scaffold you'll be working with. At the moment, the system is set to Lyre All Around, but you can certainly scroll down and select a different scaffold system, and you also have the option to choose which will be your primary scaffold and which will be your secondary scaffold from our setup wizard. For instance, if I go down and choose a +8 scaffold, I have the option to choose from frame and verticals. The system supports both. For purposes of this video, I will be selecting Lyre All Around Scaffold. Next, we will go to Scaffold Classification, and here we have the European Standard EN 12811, which tells us how much load each scaffold level can support. The normal load class will be Class 3, which is 2 kN per square meter. You can go all the way up to Class 6, and we also have a function for undefined. If you go higher than Class 3, the system will automatically remove components that are not in line with the classification you choose. For example, if you select Class 6 and go down to view its components, you can see that we are set up for a base size of 307 by 73 centimeters. Let's say, just for fun, we change the base size to 140 centimeters. If I go back and select Class 6 again, we see that the system is limiting me to a certain size, as displayed, because the system knows that the scaffold components cannot carry that kind of load. We see that the same thing happens again if we go back and select Class 5. The system is designed to protect you from applying unsafe loads to your scaffolds, so as long as you use this classification menu, you never need to worry about adding the wrong components to your system. If I click on Properties, the system will open a dialog window which allows us to input specific parameters. And this will be covered in detail in another video which can be downloaded from our Learning Center.